Morning everyone, welcome back to Whalepot X. Today is 11th of December 2024. I am Tony. Let's kick things off with today's Bitcoin analysis. As of this morning, Bitcoin is trading at 97,500. After recent volatilities, BTC has shown resilience, holding above critical support level of 96,000. As of now, 96,000 act as a strong floor, and Bitcoin managed to stay above it, indicating buying interest from traders. The psychological barrier of 100k remain a key resistance. If Bitcoin can break through this level, we could see a surge toward 105k or even 110k level. The RSI is hovering around 55. It gives room to the upside before considered overbought. And the 50-day and 200-day moving average still shows a bullish trend, providing a further support for a potential upward move. Analysts says that Bitcoin is at the moment coiling up for the next move. The recent period of sideways consolidation could be the calm before the breakout. If Bitcoin maintained the support level above 96,000, it could be ready to spring back and challenge 100k level. We're at the critical point now. If you're a long-term investor, stick to your strategy. Volatility is a part of the crypto game. Sticking with dollar cost averaging helps you stay consistent regardless of the short-term price swing. Now, let's talk about someone who's the textbook example of dollar cost averaging, Michael Saylor. He's the co-founder and executive chairman of MicroStrategy, and he became famous for his relentless Bitcoin buying strategy. Since 2020, Saylor has been on a mission. His company, MicroStrategy, has accumulated over 423,650 Bitcoin, and today it's worth over $41 billion. In his strategy, he's just keep buying Bitcoin regularly and consistently, regardless of the price. Saylor sees Bitcoin as digital gold and a hedge against inflation. He believes holding Bitcoin is a way of preserve wealth over decades. And he put DCA into action. By buying consistently, he avoids trying to time the market. Whether Bitcoin is at 10k or 60k, he just keep buying. And Saylor often says there is no price too high for Bitcoin in the long run. His confidence helps him stay the course through volatility. Despite its all-time high recently, Michael Saylor has doubled down on his bullish stance for Bitcoin and his hodl mentality. He said, "I'll be buying the top forever." As we believe the fiat money system will continue to lose its value, Bitcoin's price really has no limit. Anyone can apply this method. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you can build wealth over time, no matter how wild the market gets. Our first news story of today is a big one for Bitcoin bulls. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell recently made a statement comparing Bitcoin to gold. That's right. He acknowledged Bitcoin as a legitimate store of value, similar to gold. Powell's exact wording were that Bitcoin is not quite a currency, but it acts like, quote, a speculative store of value, much like gold. Well, this is huge because it signals even that the highest level of traditional finance are starting to recognize Bitcoin's potential. It is this kind of recognition would attract more institutional investors looking for a hedge against inflation. The second story of today, we're looking to see if Bitcoin is gonna crash again anytime soon. According to this article, while profit-taking has occurred, the long-term fundamental of Bitcoin remains strong. The recent dip are likely healthy correction rather than a sign of major crash. Oh well, we've seen 20%, 30% drop in previous bull market anyways. Don't let fear drive your decisions. In a bull market, just keep buying the dip. Our final story comes from Marathon Digital, one of the largest Bitcoin mining companies. They've just announced their major purchase of Bitcoin and reached new hash rate milestone. Marathon Digital added over 11,000 BTC to their holding, bringing their total Bitcoin to over 40,000. They also achieved a hash rate of 50 extra hash per second, which strengthened the security of the Bitcoin network. When a major miner keeps buying Bitcoin, it signals a long-term confidence. And a high hash rate means the network is more secure against attack. It's a bullish sign overall for Bitcoin's fundamental. That's a wrap for today's episode of Whalepot X. If you found value in today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss an update. Stay invested. I'll see you in the next one.